What's something people don't know about sneezes? They can be parade perfect. Once upon a time, in the whimsical land of Fuzzleberry, there was a royal cat named Sir Fluffypaws. He was the fluffiest, most dignified cat, with the fanciest moustache ever. One sunny day, Sir Fluffypaws was all set to lead the grand annual Fuzzleberry parade. But oh no, he felt a tickle in his nose. Trying to hold back a sneeze, Sir Fluffypaws wobbled and twitched. The tickle got stronger and stronger. And then, achoo! His sneeze was so powerful his moustache flew up and landed on the royal jester's hat. Confetti burst into the air and the parade turned into a wild dance party. The jester, with a moustache on his hat, juggled confetti, making everyone laugh. Sir Fluffypaws chased after the confetti, joining the fun. From then on, Sir Fluffypaws' epic sneeze was the highlight of every parade. And whenever he felt a sneeze coming, he just smiled, ready for another adventure. So remember, kids, even a sneeze can make a magical moment.